So it is 31st May and I have decided to do a end of May gardening tour, but I should have done it earlier as it is raining incessantly. It is not stopping. It started raining from 1 a.m. in the morning and it's 8. So anyway, I'm going to do a gardening tour, but it will be very short. I don't have that much to show you anyway, but I'm going to use my phone, and which is of quite crappy quality, so do bear in mind that the video quality won't be really that good. And okay, here we go. Here I have a bougainvillea, a orange one. It's around 2 years old, I think. And this side I have a Tibuchina semidecandra, or Begum Bahar we call it. It's a David Austin Tranquility. And I have few more roses. They are small, a Cascade Rose and the Just Joey. Here this I'm not sure about the variety of this one. It doesn't flower very well, sorry. And rain getting on the lens. So let me show you this side of the garden. Here I have few more pots, mostly fruit trees, plumeria, some flowering plants also like Maripeniculata and guava, tamarind. Here is two jarvera. It's a water apple. This one is a mulberry. Some plants don't do really well in the rain, like the jarvera. That's why I had them under the chair. And but yes, fruit trees don't mind. They actually do quite well in the rain. This is a banana grown from seed. So the lisianthus, yes, for me lisianthus don't work in rain. I have lost a pink one. The purple one, it's alright, but this one is also under the shade. Here is a tuberose, the common white tuberose, and I have just bought it yesterday. It's a pink one. I have never seen a colored tuberose before. Tuberose, sorry. And it's a tropical blackberry, a lime behind it. I have a Barbados cherry also, and in ground some mints growing, mostly chrysanthemum, chilies. I just placed so many cuttings of chrysanthemums. And here is a bitter gourd growing on a pink alamanda vine. Alamandas are big flowers. And jackfruit, I have in this area I have two guavas, a lime, and here it's a button rose, that's two pumpkin. And this one is also a alamanda, a short variety. Rudbeckias, I'm going to lose all of them. They are very fungus prone. They don't do well in rainy season. And sorry, it's a variegated leaf pinwheel flower. That's a white oleander. I have some curry leaf plant, one curry leaf plant, a mango tree in this. So this plant, it's a Tibuchina urviliana, another variety of Tibuchina. I don't know, this one just doesn't work for me. I have lost one in the beginning of April. They tend to die in the summer. They can't bear the summer heat, and it may be also the fact that I have some quite hard groundwater. It's a taro. These are purple shooting star, and some more chilies. Everything is flopping down. And sweet potatoes, some kochia, some more chilies, and some sweet corn. I have harvested few, but the others I don't think they are going to pollinate it. Here's a miniature sunflower. In this patch I have few more flowers, and this side I have this sweet autumn clematis. It smells so good in the rain especially. It's a pinwheel flower. This one is a narrow leaf gardenia. So here another mango, a java plum, and this is a bird bath. Yes, rudbeckias. It's just in few days they are all going to die. It's an ixora there, a red one. And in this side I have a orange hibiscus, few moguras, some more chrysanthemums, a sunflower. This is a rose of Sharon, a pink one, and this one I have grown from cutting. They are very easy to grow from cuttings. Some okra. This is a kofia, and this is a gaillardia. Oh, it's really difficult to plants when they just flop. It's a mogra. I have mogra jasmine all over my garden. It's from the same plant. And a gardenia. This one is in pot. It's a bleeding heart vine. This footage is from yesterday. I just opened the gate and forgot to close it, and this lady or gentleman, I don't know, he or she just sneaked in. It's a Bengal monitor lizard, and this one is a huge. It went away after few minutes. It's looked here and there and then go away. So sorry about the screen. It's not working. My phone isn't just not working. I have quite a lot of rain went inside the phone. So yes, this is the garden in the end of May, and pre-monsoon had already started. So that's it for today.